Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn the pop and show operation required for stack using linked list. So the next call in the main function is for pop operation. So it will call the pop operation. Here in pop operation don't require any parameter to pass because pop operation will automatically pop out the top element only. Okay, no other element can be popped off from the stack instead of top. So let's start with the pop operation. The execution counter will start to execute the pop operation. So void pop. Here I haven't mentioned any parameter. Okay, so again here we'll require one pointer field, that is we have taken here the one pointer of the node. That's why we have taken here the temporary pointer. So first we have to check whether the stack is exist or not, or any element present in the stack or not. Okay, so means if element is present, then we don't have value of top as null, and if elements does not present, then the value of top will be null only. Okay, so first we will check whether top exists or not. So if top is equal to null, that means no element is present in the stack, means we don't have any node present in the stack as a linked list. Okay, so if top is equal to null, then we cannot perform pop operation, so it will print underflow, we can't pop. Okay, so here this will get executed if item is not present in the stack. Okay, if else, suppose our stack contains 3 elements. So this is our current situation of the stack. So if this is the case and we want to perform pop operation, then it will go to else part. Okay, because top is not equal to null. Okay, so else we have to copy the data of item, because if we want to print what element is popped off, so at that time this will be required. So I have mentioned, I have taken one variable, that is integer item, and the top's data will get copied in the item variable so that we can print it afterwards. Okay, so top tends to data is copied in item. Now next we will copy the value of top in temporary node. Okay, so top will get copied in temporary node because we have to free up the memory for this node. Okay, so we will copy the temporary node, and because we have to update now the top, because after deletion of this top, the next element in the linked list will work as a top. Okay, so I have copied the value of top in the temporary node, and now we will update the top to the next. Okay, so we have to make this second node as top. Okay, but the address of this node is present in the address of next field of this current top node. Okay, so how I can assign this? So top tends to next will work as top now. Okay, so top tends to next, so the its address is stored in this node. Okay, so now current top is this node, so its next field pointing to this node. So now this node will work as top node. So I have copied the value of top tends to next to the top. Okay, so now this will work as a top node. Okay, and now I can free up the memory assigned with this node, but now I have updated top, but I have first copied the last top in the temporary node, so I'll free up the memory of temporary node. Okay, so now I'll free up temp and I will push print item popped off. Okay, you can print here the value of item as is %d comma item also. Okay, so here this will get popped off and the remaining stack will remain as it is. Next, we don't have any statement to print after this else part, so it will complete the execution of this pop operation, and the execution counter will return back to the main function, and the next statement to execute in the main function is show operation. Okay, so show function, so it will call show function. So void show. So this is our current situation of the stack. It contains only 2 elements. Okay. So if we want to print all the elements of this stack, it will work same as the printing or traversing the singly linked list from head to last node in the linked list. The procedure is similar to that only. Okay, so for that purpose we will take one temporary node, that is current node, to traverse from top to end of the stack. Okay, so here I have taken node star current node, and I'll start to print stack from top only. Okay, so I'll first assign the value of top in the current node. So current will get assigned with top. Okay, so first check whether the linked list is present or not, means stack contains any element in the stack or not. Okay, so if current is equal to null, means stack does not exist, means stack is empty, so it will print stack is empty, no need to print it. Okay, so if that is not the case, means if we have stack exist, then it will go in the else part and it will print stack elements are /n. We have to print all the elements of the stack. So first it will print top of the stack. So while current not equal to null, because this is top and we want to print stack from top to the end of the stack. Okay, so it is starting from top while current not equal to null. So value of current does not point to null. We have to repeat this procedure. Okay, so while current not equal to null, printf %d current tends to data. Now my current is this top node, so it will print the current tends to data. So it will print first 22. Now we have to update current to the next node in the linked list. Okay, so it will get updated with the help of statement current is equal to current tends to next, because current tends to next will be this node. Okay, so now my current node will be 11 node, and here one iteration is completed for while loop. So it will again check for the next condition, current not equal to null. अभी तो current null है नहीं. Okay, now currently we don't have value of current as null, so it will print %d current tends to data. So it will print 11 to the next line because we have used here /n. Okay, now again current will get updated to the current tends to next. So current tends to next, the value of current tends to next is now null. Okay, so now value of current is null, so it will again check for this condition, current not equal to null, but the value of current is now null, so it will move out of this loop, and the next statement out of the loop we don't have any statement to print. Okay, so here else part will get completed. After else we don't have any statement to execute, so here it will complete the show function. Okay, so it will return back to the main function for execution. So after show we don't have any call of function, so next statement is return 0, so it will return 0 and the execution of main function is completed. So here the implementation of stack using linked list is completed. Hope you have understood how we have created linked list for stack, how we have pushed element on the stack, how to pop element from the stack, then how we can traverse this stack as a linked list. If you have any queries, then please do comment, and if you like my videos, then never forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.